Dok, maganda pangitain ito. Oh. Hindi pumapasok ang tira sa labas. Hindi maitawid ang bola sa half court. Ng China, hindi tayo.
At saka halos wala na silang post play na ngayon. Wala na silang pinupuntahan sa poste. Tira na lang tira sila sa labas.
Alapag.
Come on, Kirby. That's gonna be take 2 for Kirby Raimundo.
At 2 free throws for Kirby.
May tama pa yung kalaban.
Ayan, oh, mukhang hindi, pulikat ito, Dr. J.
Oh, ganon. Kala ko naapakan pa ni Kirby yung paa niya.
Titignan natin dito sa last play.
Pagbagsak niya, parang may nakaapak ng paa eh.
Sprain to.
Hindi, tumayo eh.
Pero grabe kasi itong mga Chinese, parang mga pusa eh.
Hindi naman lahat yan Jet Li.
Ito talaga si Bruce Lee.
O si...
Halata na naman tayo dyan eh. We'll take a break. Ang Pilipinas mo lamang ng 4 na puntos. 66-62. Yung foul trouble natin, tinitignan natin. Pero ang pinaka-importante rito, yung mga puntos na nagagawa ni Jimmy Alapag na 22. He is leading all scorers. 10 points si Kirby Raimundo na naitatala rin para sa Pilipinas. Pero yung Kelly Williams has 9 points. Pero yung sinasabi mga Doc kanina,
ang dami ng
intangibles
ginagawa.
No?
Rebound, nakikipag-away sa depensa, sa positioning, sa mga forced steals. Si Mark Kagiwa may 10 points rin. Dito, pag pumutok bigla si Mark Kagiwa dito, tapos na sila. You know, because he's very capable of that. But Mark still has to play within the framework of the team. Jimmy Alapag has to continue to control the game and try to find those kind of easy shots that he's been setting up his teammates. Kirby at the free throw line. Coach Chot Reyes has used his people properly. He has used only 9 men. Actually, 3 have not played in this ball game. Kirby, another big-hearted player. 11 points in the ball game for Kirby. Second leading scorer for the Philippines. Make that 12. 6-point lead being enjoyed by Team Philippines. Kaya minsan hindi ako naniniwala doon sa ginagawa ng Chinese at Korea. Hindi inaalis yung player pag foul trouble hanggang ma-foul out.
Sa pool.
Nagkaroon sila ng problema tuloy sa kanilang setting.
And the shots continue to miss for the Chinese. And the Philippines now just have to play smart, Team Pilipinas.
There's still a lot of time also for the Chinese to come back.
Pero hindi mag-alaga dapat ha. Kailangan umatake pa ng umatake.
So Alapag is doing the right thing here. Oh, another foul here. And slowly but surely, mapupunta na sa penalty yung China.
Ano ito eh, mga desperation fouls, Dr. J, yung mga tinatawag nating talagang hindi maintindihan kung anong gagawin.
Alam mo, mahirap bantayan si Kirby. Dahil si Kirby, pwede maglaro ng 5, but for international, baka hindi pwede. He can play the 4. But he can also play the 3 kasi he has a dribble going to the basket. Tapos he has a pretty decent medium jump shot. Medium range jump shot.
Going to the corner at tignan mo yung
gotta get out of there. That's a bad pass, pero buti na lang. Nandiyan si Mark Kagiwa. Naku, ang laking bagay nun. I thought he was gonna get hot.
Could have been a turning point, Dr. J, para sa Pilipinas if he nailed that basket. 66-62. Just a 4-point lead para sa Pilipinas. 4 minutes.
Ayun.
Ay, naku, Dr. J.
They're trying to set. Ayun, magsisisya na yan. Kasi alam niya, Chen, hindi ka masyado, ayos mo yung pasa mo.
At nagugusot ang buhok.
Hindi,
yung sombrero.
Yung sombrero.
Ng atin pong bisita si Adijan.
Pero he's a very nice fellow. Even when he used to play here, he would always sign autographs for everybody who wanted it. He'd take time out.
4-point lead and turnovers. Naku, tayo naman ang turnover.
Well, Jimmy has got to realize that. Kanina, he was just bringing out the ball without any pressure. All of a sudden, the Chinese are putting some pressure. So, kailangan gamitin niya utak niya.
Saka kailangan siguro meron mag-provide ng screen para kay Jimmy.
Of course.
Iniiwan nila sa backcourt si Jimmy. Nag-iisa eh.
Alam mo, pag may shoot ang China rito, baka mag-timeout si Chot just to remind them of that.
They play the zone. Ito, nagkakasama spacing na China. They have 4 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, hindi yata nila alam.
And Kelly Williams. Ooh!
Yung bola is loose. And Asi Taulaba trying to hustle for the ball. Meron mga contact but the referee is just letting this one go. Purely on hustle, Dr. J.
And you can see Kelly Williams very slow to get up on the other side. A little bit hurt. But, adrenaline is pumping. He'll pick himself up.
Saka mapapagod na rin yan, Dr. J.
Ayan, pinalitan na.
He has to be lifted.
And that's a little problem for us because it's not good rebounding that we have on the weak side now.
Saka ang laki ng no height discrepancy, Dr. J. The post defender natin, si Don Ontiveros now, having to play for Kelly. Ayan ang sinasabi natin.
Yung sa weak side rebounding, yun ang problema. Kelly would have been able to get that. You gotta box out Yi Lee. You know he can score.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, naka-depensa sila and almost a steal by Lee.
I think Chot really needs to call a timeout just to remind what the Chinese are doing right now. Medyo yung players niya are not realizing what's happening.
Kailangan niyang gisingin ng konti.
Alapag knows, but the other players do not.
Hindi nagre-react, kulang.
See, now they're double teaming Alapag all over the place. At hindi buti may tumawag ng foul. Kasi kundi, trap na naman si Alapag. He's at that corner, no? Where he has no place to go.
Isa sa mga natutunan ko kay Chot Reyes, yung tinatawag na sideline push na ginagawa nitong mga Chinese sa atin. Pagka pumupunta yung bola rito, itinutulak tayo papunta sa mga
Siyempre, kakanto ka dahil wala kang tatakbuhan doon.
Kaya kailangan umiwas tayo dito sa may gilid. Dalhin yung bola sa gitna, pero pagka mga 6'9", 6'8" yung babangka, ang hirap eh. Ayan, no? So, ball movement. Kirby, open.
Alapag.
Alapag, wala. Taulaba, second serving.
Good push by Asia Taulaba to get the offensive rebound.
Alam, kahit masakit ang paa ni Asi, nakakatakbo.
Iba rin.
Adrenaline na yan. Kirby is
blocked. Good block. It's alright. It's the possession of the ball. 2:58 na yata natitira dito.
Ang maganda dito ang ginagawa ni Kirby, nagkikreate siya ng situation. At saka hindi siya natatakot. Ayan kung masupalpal ka. Importante makakreate ka ng opening.
13 seconds na lang ang shot clock. Nako, an interception there. We have to come down quickly. You were playing defensive now.
Nag-iingat eh.
Got to rotate. Patay.
Ang sakit.
3-point shot yan. You see how big that 3-point shot, tawag talaga ng timeout.
Yung timeout ang hinahanap natin, and that 3-point shot just gave China the lead back 68-67, no? Ay, hindi. Di ba? May isa pa. 4-point lead tayo kanina, so it's just a 1-point lead.
Asi, Kelly, when Jimmy throws it, if they drop, we reverse the mark so that he can attack. While the mark is denied, right there, Kirby. Okay, hit the flash here. Mark, go back door. Okay, go back door. Kirby attacks or Jimmy come around for that handoff.
The most important 2 minutes and 43 seconds ng kampanya ng Team Pilipinas ang ating pong kinakaharap. Ito yung kick out. Ay, ito, this slam, yung follow-up slam kanina ni Lee Yi that cut down the lead to just 2 points.
And then the 3-point shot eventually, kaya naging 1 point ang lamang na. Because we were up by 6 eh. Kaya pinag-uusapan nga natin kanina, Chino, yung 2-point shot ni Kagiwa, kung pumasok yung magiging 8. Tingin ko, hilo na sila noon eh.
Ang official score natin, 68-67 Philippines.
Well, Kelly Williams has been brought back into the ball game. We need him, and that's good time. Mark Kagiwa, good thing he was able. That's a foul there.
Atakihin mo, Kelly. Kelly Williams taking it strong. At ang bola, bubuhay na naman ni Kirby Raimundo. We have 6 to shoot. Hindi ko alam kung alam yung shot clock. Malayo tira.
Jimmy Alapag always knows the time.
Ang bigat.
Always knows the time.
What a big shot. Ang most important 3-point shot sa career. Dito si Jimmy Alapag. Finding bottom of the net. It was a desperation 3-point shot. Turnover, Dr. J. Mark Kagiwa.
Unin na natin ito.
Fielding the ball but missing a layup.
Oh, that was big, Mark.
3-point shot is short. And Jimmy Alapag dribbling away from danger, Dr. J.
We're not out of the woods. There's still a lot of time here. We still have to be able to use the clock and score.
Pagka tumigil, yan ang problema.
Oh, that's a good thing. Jimmy was able to get them to swipe the ball away. So we will be able to inbound because he was trapped and very close to a 5-second violation there.
Great double teaming sa taong may bola ng China. Yun ang kailangan natin iwasan eh. If we are stagnant on offense, may problema. Lee Yi, a case of cramps. He has played all game, Dr. J.
At tingin ko nagkatamaan rin ng tuhod yan kanina eh. Kaya hawak-hawak
ayun,
niya.
Ayun, nga.
Nagkatamaan ng tuhod yan eh.
Ito yung IC treatment para in-numb yung sakit. Yan ang tama. Igalaw nyo yung bola, huwag kayong matutulog.
This is the shot.
Ayan!
Yes!